Welcome to TJ Marine, the channel where I buy boats and fix them up, bring them back to life. For those of you that have been watching my last videos, the Haynes Hunter 550C has been sold. It was a pretty good result. Was a bit sorry to see it go. It was a great boat and a lot of fun, but I've just picked up this Cruise Craft Reef Ranger, 5.5 meters. It's got a massive 175 horsepower motor on it, so it's going to go like the clappers. I'll show you around the boat, show you what I plan to do, and then I'll get it out on the water. And if you want to see what I do with it, then subscribe and maybe leave a comment letting me know any ideas of what you think I could do to improve it. Clear covers are in pretty rough shape. Definitely going to get those replaced. The blue paint is pretty cracked up. Maybe we'll paint it or put a sticker over it. We'll see. I'll get rid of the name. Just leave that. Look a lot cleaner without that scratched up name. Here's the motor. Trusty Johnson Ocean Runner 175. Started good when I inspected the boat, but we'll fire it up now and make sure it's still going good. Keep the old Cruise Craft sticker. Trailer's in good order, no rust, and it tows remarkably well actually. I was surprised. The Bimini's in pretty good order and it's a nice solid Bimini. And yeah, it's still in good condition. Rocket launcher. Now the interior is where the issues are. Got a bit of a dodgy floor piece in there, bad carpet. These boxes that the seats sit on are pretty ugly. And I'll get inside and show you in the cabin. There's a little cabin where you could have a sleep overnight if you wanted. Fit 2 people. Not too bad. Put something on the floor down there. So it's not too bad. It's all in all. It's a bit rough. Bilge pump. Sorry about that.
You're wetting my boat now.
I am. Lucky it's made for water.
Oh, your phones?
Well, you would notice you're not actually on the dock. As you can see on the video, it's pretty shuddery at low revs, but it's pretty quick and it ran alright. Probably just maybe one of the spark plugs is misfiring. So I'll take it into the shop probably, or I might have a look myself, and then I'll take it to the shipwright to get the interior renovated. So if you want to see that, subscribe, and thanks for watching.